or die. She the only one that bam on my door like this. What's up, do or die? Girl, you know you looking so pretty today. You so beautiful today, girl. Well, I just came down here to see if I could borrow your barbecue rack. A barbecue rack? Yeah, I got the grill, but I just ain't got the rack to go on the grill. So if you could just let me borrow the rack, I'll be on my way. I ain't got no barbecue rack. It's raining outside anyway. Bye. Bitch wasn't looking all that cute no damn way. What's up now, do or die? Hey, girl. It's smelling all good in here. You in here cooking or something? Yeah, I'm cooking. I'm cooking some breakfast for me and my son. Smell good up in here. Well, I was just wondering if I could borrow your DVD player remote. A DVD remote? Well, just the remote. My DVD remote won't work to your DVD player. I mean, well, if you let me borrow the whole DVD player and maybe the TV too, I'll bring it back. I'll bring it right back. What we supposed to watch? Get out of here. Bitch house was smelling like shit anyway. Fuck she in there cooking chitlins. Do or die, what's good? Hey, girl. How you doing? You in here cleaning up? Okay. I was just wondering if I could borrow the cord to your microwave. Hold on a minute. Cord to the microwave? Wait a minute. The cord to the microwave is connected to the microwave. Well, you can just let me borrow the whole microwave. I'll bring it back. I'll make sure you get it back. I figured you was gonna say let you borrow the whole microwave. No. Bitch can't be doing too much cleaning up. House been nasty since I known her. What? I was wondering if I could borrow your car. Hell no. I need to run myself up to the hospital. It's emergency. So I'm just wondering if I could borrow your car. I'll be back in a few minutes with it. Quit smoking crack and then you wouldn't feel like you need to go to the emergency room. Damn. Bitch car tow up anyway. I had my mechanic work on it and he ain't put the parts on there right.